thought about what your manager think about your never-ending demands? Have you ever thought about your frequency of requests at your workplace? Do you feel your manager is sidelining you from critical project? Hi professionals, this is Utkarsh Rai and today I am going to talk about how to avoid being a high maintenance employee. High maintenance employee is normally very skilled, but their individual behavior is on the cusp of being unacceptable and often they are not self-aware to realize it. I have seen professionals facing setbacks in their career because unknowingly they cross the red line and become high maintenance employee. Let me share one such example. One professional was highly skilled and he proved his mettle in few months after joining. After few months, he requested for a change in his responsibility, which his manager agreed. After some time, he wanted to change his team. His manager declined after discussing with me because we felt by changing the project so often, he will not gain experience of full project life cycle. Dissatisfied, he came and met me and I could make out that he is interested in icing and not in the full cake. He was persistent and being a high performer, after some time his team got changed, but his request kept on coming. One day, his manager came to me visibly frustrated and sought my input. I told him to say no and start preparing for backup in case he leaves. Repeated requests sometimes make your manager indifferent towards you, which will not be good for your career. So watch my video to understand how you should make requests to avoid being a high maintenance employee. And if you have not already liked and subscribed to my channel, then please do it. Also watch each of my videos to get answer to your work challenges. It is true that you must speak your mind and state clearly what you want. By not speaking your mind, you are going to do injustice to your career. Request can be anything. It could be related to change of work, change of team, change of location, compensation, promotion, and so on. There is nothing wrong in making request because by speaking, you are making your priority clear to your manager. But the problem happens when the requests are made in quick succession. Once one demand is made, another demand came in no time. Manager has many people and it will be difficult for him to cater one person's repeated request. You may believe that you are not getting what you wanted, so you may make same or similar request again and again. Ultimately, all these requests pile up in your manager's mind and one day they might tend to label you as a high maintenance employee. Once this perception is formed, manager try to sideline you from critical project and in no time you might become irrelevant for your company. Now you are going to ask one question. Does it mean that one should not make successive requests? There are times when you have to make successive requests. It could be that you have a timeline in mind which you want to meet, or it could be a personal circumstances forcing you to avail an opportunity within that timeline. You have to keep two things in mind when you are making successive requests. First, nature of request. Requests normally fall into three categories. One, direct work related. It could be your work assignment, role and responsibility, compensation, career progression, etc. Second, indirect work related. You want to join some forum or group, want to take some course, want to lead some initiative. And third, personal, arising from your personal circumstances. Normally, high maintenance people arises from the direct work related request. So whenever you are making any request, make sure that you differentiate from a direct work related one with the indirect and the personal one. Second, ways of making direct work related request. Keep two things in mind. First, your body language and tone. Art of conversation is important, so watch your word, tone and body language. I have seen some professionals who make requests as if it is their birthright to get it. I have also seen some professionals who make requests with a veiled threat of quitting. Then there are some who want a timeline commitment from their manager, and then there are some who are so shaky and apologetic that the focus shifted from request to desperation. So whenever you make such requests to your manager, make sure let manager feel that they are also part of the decision-making process. Second, explain the situation and seek suggestion. If you are very much firm about what you want, then explain the situation and the logic behind your asking. And if you are still exploring the option, then seek suggestion from your manager. What are the pros and cons about the option? This will show honesty on your behalf and manager will feel involved in this process. Yes, by making repeated requests, you might become a high maintenance person. But by being cognizant about the nature of request and how to make requests, you will avoid being a high maintenance person. I hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.